Hi friends, welcome to my tutorial. In today's video, we will discuss about even numbers with examples. So let's start with the definition. If a number is completely divisible by 2, then we can call that number an even number. So it can be said that all the even numbers are multiples of 2. Now if n is an even number, then from this fact we say that n is equal to 2k, where k is an integer. Now we will give a few examples. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on are the positive even numbers. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10 and so on are the negative even numbers. Look that these all numbers are divisible by 2. Now let's learn the notation of the set of all even numbers. The notation is 2z, where z is the set of all integers. This set contains elements 0, ±2, ±4, ±8 and so on. If you are curious about odd numbers, you can watch the video in the I button. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, please leave your comment in the comment box.